Hi, everybody. Welcome to Kuja's Candles Co. My name is Marie, and today we are talking about how many fragrance oil should you start with. Okay, so I made my previous video. I'm still dressed up like this because, like I said in that video, if you haven't watched that yet, go ahead and watch that. After this, I talk about the flashpoint of the fragrance oil. But anyway, I'm dressed the same. Things are hectic here, so that's why I am making two videos. We're in the same setup and stuff like that. So no faking here or anything. We're just real and real and real and real. Anyways, why am I so like have so much energy right now? I think because I'm recording a video. But I'm happy to be here. Anyway, so this video I will not make it long at all. How many fragrance oil should you start with? Yes, I am in some candles making group, and I do see beginners. I am a beginner too, but like beginners who are like, oh, like what should I? How many fragrance oil should I start with? What kind of wax, or like how do you make this, or how? Like I've been there. I was there, and I know how it feels like, and I'm happy to help. So starting the fragrance oil, I will like how many should you start with? I'll start with 5. Why? I'll let you know. Because when I first started, I had no idea that like it's okay to have 4 or 5. Now I went ahead and bought probably 200 worth fragrance oil. Yes. The first place that I bought from was wait, what is it again? Was Nature's Garden. Yes. Nature's Garden's fragrance oil was the first one that I purchased, and I spent about $200 in fragrance, and I had like 2 boxes of fragrance oil. And honestly, it was when I was picking those fragrance oil, it was hard because I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I like this one. Oh my God, that might smell good, but I don't know until it gets here. So that's why I am telling beginners who are starting off to start with 5, because fragrance oil, not only that they're pricey, you can also like it can really be confusing, like addictive as well. So confusing when you have all these fragrances next to you and you're smelling this, you're smelling that, smelling this here, and you're thinking, I like this one, I like this, I like them both, all of them, and you're like, okay, I'm making one of this, one of that, one of this. Like, it's just too much. If you have five, then you're thinking, okay, I have 5, I'll make 10 of this, 10 of that, blah blah blah. I will have 50 candles to start off with, and then plus, like, the price will not be too bad. But the most important thing to keep in mind too is the shipping. The shipping can really like really kill you, basically. Not kill, that's too much, but you know what I mean. The shipping is way too much, and I hear everybody complain about it. When I first started making candles, I was like, oh yeah, the shipping is fine, don't worry, I can handle that. Now that I'm making candles, no, the shipping is ridiculous. Okay, it's way too much, and I know it's not their fault. It's not the candle supplier's fault, or yeah, candles supplier's fault. It's the USPS or whatever the shipping rate is, like whoever decides the price, like, it's their fault. I don't know. I don't know, I had to find someone to blame it on. No, but seriously, the shipping is expensive. The best thing you can do is make sure that if you are buying your fragrance oil, make sure that you are also buying other stuff along with the fragrance oil, so that you just pay shipping once. That makes sense, right? And plus, if you have someone in your city or like in your neighborhoods that you don't actually know or something like that, I don't know, ask them, do you want to collaborate somehow and just buy from this company, and then we share this, the price, the shipping price, or something like that. If you know somebody, just ask them. But I would say start with five fragrance oil. You can do so many things with 5. And then I recommend, please, I have done this and I actually showed you guys. Sorry. I had showed you guys these little samplers that I got from Aztec. They're good. Do not mind me, because definitely Aztec is so good. If you have not seen my Aztec fragrance oil review, go and review them. Go and watch that video, because these people are so good. It smells amazing, just like Candle Science. But back to the conversation about fragrance oil, is that please don't buy small ones. You can if you want to, but how much are you gonna make with this? What, 2 of the little 4-ounce jars, or like, you know, 2 of the 8-ounce jars? That's it. Or even 1, because it's not even enough. I don't think it's enough for 2. I have tried it. So yeah, I have tried it, and then hold on, I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. So this is what I'm talking about. You can only make 1 8-ounce jar, or like 4-ounce jar, and then you still have a bit of leftover. What are you gonna do with that? You know, so it kind of doesn't make sense to me. I want to be able to at least make 2 of the 8-ounce jars with 1 of this, but you can't. You really can't. It's really small. Depending, if you want this, then go ahead and do it. I can't really tell you what to do with your money, or like what kind of decision to make. It's just, you know, me recommending stuff, right? So I would definitely advise for you to get an 8-ounce one, and or how many? Yeah, this is 8 ounces as well. So just get the 8 ounces, or you know, smaller one than the how many ounces is like 2 ounces or 1? Yeah, 1. So yeah, don't go ahead and waste your money on this, because they're also expensive. Just get, you know, 5 of these. 5 of the 8 ounces of fragrance oil. Excuse me, just came from dinner. Just get 5 of the 8 ounces fragrance oil, and basically use them. Then you can make many out of this than buying something like this. So I bought these just to try figure out the smells that I want to get from Aztec, and then I realized that was a mistake, just because there's too many smells that I really like, and I'm not going to buy them all, and these are just not enough for at least 2 8-ounce jars. So it really is up to you. But yeah, I will tell you, start with 5 and get 1. Let's start with spring smell, summer scents, autumn scents, and autumn scent and fall. Yeah, autumn is fall. And winter smell. And then you can get 1 for the holidays. You know, if you want, you can expand to like 6, but I think staying with 5 is good. Like 1 for holidays, like what, Easter, or like Valentine's Day, or like Mother's Day. But I think Mother's Day will actually fall into summer or spring scent. So, you know, 4 I will say, but 5, you know, it's like, okay, you can actually get the 5th one as, you know, a masculine color, like a perfume like scent, to see how you like this one, kind of like classy, and you know what I mean. So yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope I have given you enough information. I hope I'm not talking too fast, because I realized that in my other videos, like, I really talk fast, and I have an accent as well, so I need to slow down and speak slower so that you guys can understand me and my accent. But Yeah, if you're wondering, I'm just from Guinea, West Africa. So that's why I have that accent and I speak French as well. So there you go. But that's it for my video today. I hope to see you in a week or so. Yeah, I'm planning on my trip and things are just a mess here in my house. I just try to do two videos at the same time so that you guys are not um just not doing anything, bored and stuff. So you have my video to watch. And also, if you want to be part of my Facebook group, it's called Beginner's Guide to Candle Making. It's on Facebook, and I'm actually switching that account to a different one just because I made some mistakes. I realized now that I realized that I needed a whole different Facebook account for my business rather than my personal one and have a page or a group for that. So I'm moving the group if I can. If not, I'm starting a whole new group. Yeah, and also if you don't mind, you can check out my Etsy or my website at kujoscandlesco.com, and on Etsy it's at Kujos Candles Co. And you can follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends on Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I usually don't say that in the videos because I forget. Because I'm not used to this, like, comment, and subscribe. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for being here. I'll make sure to be more consistent after I figure my life out. I don't know when that will be, but hopefully by next month I should be fine. And yeah, and I also have a surprise to show you guys. Not yet. I'll show you. It's coming soon. It's coming soon. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.